Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we are going to be learning a song by METTLE, Oil in My Lamp, and we're going to be playing it in the key of E flat. Alright, so just like I said, this year I'm not going to be explaining much because I already have a beginner course in my playlist. So for intermediate level players, this should be okay for you. If you're a beginner, you can slow the video down and then play as I played. If you're not understanding it, go and watch the beginner level. And there's also a membership on my YouTube that I want all of you to subscribe to. So without much ado, let's get on into the song. The intro is a chord 6, and then to a chord 3, then to a chord 2, then a chord 3, and then back to 6. So you're supposed to be playing like on your left, you could be playing 6, 2, 3, and then 6. Now the 3, you instead of playing a minor chord, you will be playing a major chord. A major chord for the chord 3. A major chord. This should be G minor, but we're playing G major. Alright, so coupled with the intro, they play something like this. So with a 6, it will be like this. Then 3, back to 6. Alright, so now I'm playing the extended. So then, you know, they play these chops. Just playing 6, 2. So the 6, they played it. Then the 2, the same thing. Then the 3, the major. Then they play 6 again. Do 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 do. Then there's something that I played. So what I essentially played was a 6, 7, 1, and then a diminished E, which is supposed to be a flat of 2 before 2. So it's a passing chord. So it's like 6, 7, 1, passing as give me all you in my life. Can play it as this. Da 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 da. This chord 4. Keep me burning, keep me burning to the coming of the King. Da 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 da. So 6. Da 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 da. 4. You play a 4 like this. Keep me burning, keep it burning. 2. Then 3 to 6. So or you can leave it. Then I wanna burn for you. So you play 2, and then you move to 4, then you move to 3, and then back to 6. Now you could play a variation 2, 4, and then 5 to 6, but I still want to maintain the, because that's what they used mostly. Then is the same thing. 6, 2, 3, back to 6. Alright, so with this you should be able to play the song, and bye bye, see you.